How to invite your friends to like your Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to invite your friends to like your Facebook page. This is one of the easiest way to grow your page quickly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the drop down arrow which can be seen beside your profile name. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply select the page that you want to promote. And now here, once you are inside the page, simply tap on the page icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in your page section, simply tap on the three dot icon which can be seen beside the advertise button. And now here, once you are in the page settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as invite people to connect. And now here in this section, you will have two options. Now here you can either invite your friends directly from this button at the first, or you can copy link from the second button and send it to the friends that you want to invite. So here for this video, I'll be directly inviting my friends. So here I'm going to simply tap on switch. And here after that, it will be converted to the personal account. And now here I'm gonna simply search, or you can simply search for your friends in here, and you can invite them directly by tapping on invite, and they will get notification to like your page immediately. And that's it. That's how you can invite your friends to like your Facebook page in just a few taps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.